It is important to always make sure that your drain cleaning machines are in good operating condition. Checking the machine cords, reels, and cable is a good idea before beginning a job. It is a good idea to also use a circuit tester to check outlets prior to plugging a machine into an outlet. Please refer to the directions provided with your circuit tester to determine if an outlet is in good working condition. Always use a three-prong outlet for machines with a three-prong plug. Do not use a two-prong outlet with an adapter for a three-prong cord. What do I do if my machine quits working? First, check the switch to see if it is in the on or off position. Second, check the power source to make sure the machine is still plugged in. Then, use a circuit tester to make sure the power source is live. How do I know if the GFCI is working correctly? If the green light is on while it is in the plugged-in position, the machine is protected. If not, the machine won't work. The ground fault circuit interrupter protects the operator. It shuts the machine off in 1/40th of a second to protect against electric shock. Should you need to replace the GFCI, make sure the machine is in the off position and certainly unplugged. Remove the screws on the back cover of the GFCI and take off the cover. You will notice there are 3 wires held in place by screws. First, remove the clamp located at the bottom of the GFCI, which holds the cord in place and keeps the wire in place to make contact. Next, loosen each screw that holds the 3 wires in place and remove the wires from the GFCI unit. Note, each wire has to be placed in the correct terminal. Do not reverse the wires. The white wire goes with the silver screw. The ground or green wire goes with the green screw, and the black or hot wire goes with the copper screw. Before replacing the GFCI unit, inspect to make sure that the wires are intact and certainly are not frayed. If the wires are in good condition, there is no need to cut and splice the wires. To replace the GFCI with a new unit, line up the wires with the corresponding color. Note again, each wire has to be placed in the correct terminal. Do not reverse the wires. The white wire goes with the silver screw. The ground or green wire goes with the green screw, and the black or hot wire goes with the copper screw. Before tightening the wires down, be sure that the wires are underneath the terminal and that there are no loose strands on the wires. Once the wires are in the correct position, tighten the screws down as tight as possible. Replace the wire clamp and tighten. Finally, replace the cover on the GFCI and tighten the screws.